Python, the world's fastest-growing programming language, is making waves in the realms of machine learning and deep learning. Why, you ask? The answer is simplicity and versatility. Python's easy-to-read syntax allows both beginners and experts to build complex algorithms with ease. Consider machine learning. Python's robust libraries like scikit-learn help in developing predictive models, handling data, and visualizing results. Now let's dive into deep learning. With Python, you harness the power of libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. They assist in creating neural networks, processing large datasets, and even developing AI applications. Imagine the possibilities. From detecting patterns in sports data to predicting player performance, Python is revolutionizing the game. So, if you're looking for a language that's both powerful and user-friendly, Python is the way to go. Remember, in the world of programming, Python is the MVP.